I've been planning this project for quite some time, and coming back to my hometown, to my friends, family, and that community that raised me to be the person I am today really seems like the right place to start. I can't help but think of how I never really appreciated Ripley growing up, and now whenever I'm home I see so many places struggling to stay relevant because people just don't seem to support what's there. But I really believe that this little village on the river has a lot to offer, along with so many other places in Ohio that are simply overlooked. I know Ohio isn't exactly the most popular travel destination, but my team and I are determined to challenge that perception. There are so many experiences worth making in Ohio, even in a struggling rural community like Ripley, and we want to share with you ours, featuring some amazing locations along the way. My team and I have selected 50 locations all over Ohio to highlight in the first season of this film series. We understand the value of community and know firsthand the importance of supporting small businesses, those genuine hardworking people that really make where you're from home. Growing up in a place like Ripley is humbling, especially knowing our team has so many people, businesses, and organizations from here supporting us. We want to show our appreciation for our community by highlighting the John Rankin House as our first location of this film series, along with a few other spots you'll have to tune in to see. The Rankin House episode will air Saturday, October 27th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Be sure to help us spread the word. Episodes will air on a weekly basis at this same time slot, with the full-length cut uploaded to our YouTube channel. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe to our pages to stay up to date on all of our content. If you would like to help support our content, please check out our online store and even consider donating on our website. We will be traveling around all of Ohio for this series and hope to inspire you all to go out and experience these places yourselves. This is the heart of it all.